Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is Mohsin Azam interacting with you from my YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start the 12th lesson of our Excel tutorial. The topic which we will discuss today is reference formulas in Excel. So the first formula which we will discuss is index. So index we can use by two ways. One is by 3 argument, one is with 4 argument. So for example, we have one list here with some employees and the income for 3 months. One is current month, last month and next month. So first of all we will start with array method. So by writing equal to and then index, I will click tab here. So now my function is asking me which method you have to follow, either array method or reference method. So first of all I will start with my array method. I will select here one array. So this is basically the array which I select. Now I will click comma. Now my function is asking me the row number. So I will click here row 2 and then column number. Same I will click 2 here for the column and then I will close my bracket. So see here 1 1 1. So if I see from my array which I select, this was my array. The second row was last month and the second column was Azam. So 1 1 1 is my answer. So like this you can use the index method. Now with the reference method. So a reference method, first what I will do, I will write index tab and then reference bracket this comma second array comma third array comma fourth array comma fifth array bracket then comma. Now row number 2, column number 1 and area number 2 and I will close my bracket. So see 1 1 1. Now what we will do, we will use the sum function with the index. So for example, we'll write here sum tab and then index tab and now I will select the array. So this is my array and now the row number I will select here 2 and column number I will write here 0. So what it means, I need the row 2 and then I will close my bracket. So the sum of row 2 is 617, which is here. Now sum in column. So sum tab index tab and then I will select the array, then I will click comma. Row number here I will select 0 and column number I will select here is 2 and then I will close my bracket again. So the column number 2 of the array is 338, which is here 338. So like this we can use the index function. Now the next is match. Match function will give you the relative position of the value from the selected array. Match function takes 3 arguments. First of all, lookup value, lookup array and match type. Match type is exact match, less than 1 and greater than 1. So first of all, what match function will do, the same example I have here, the employees with the incomes, monthly incomes. So what I will do, first of all I will try the exact match. So by writing match command here and then I will click tab. So what my formula or function is asking me the lookup value, which value you want to search. For example, if I want to search 100, then I will write 100 lookup value, lookup array. In match function, the array should be either in one direction, either in row or in column. So I will select here this row, this column, sorry. Then I will click comma and here I need exact match. So I will click here 0 and I will close the bracket. So see, this exact match is giving me the reference of 100 in the selected array. So this was the array and the position of my number is second as it is displayed here. Now less than 1. For this condition the data should be in ascending order. So if you see here, this is in ascending order 90, 100 and 130. So now for example, match tab and then lookup value. Here if I need 130 and lookup array is this one, and now I need approximate match or less than 1. I will close my bracket and by clicking enter, see it will give me 130 in the third position of the array. Same, the data should be in descending for greater than -1. So same writing here match tab lookup value. So if you see here, sorry, this Azam is in descending order. This is the condition for the match with greater than -1. So I will write here match tab lookup value. Here I will write here 100 comma and then lookup array and comma and then I will write -1 and I will close my bracket. So see, it will give me the position of 100 is in 1 from the selected array. So like this you can locate your number. So in the first case it was the 100 was on second position of my selected array. In greater than 1 condition it was on third position, and same like in -1 it was in first location. Now the index and match in combination. So index and match now we will use as a combination. So what we will do, I have here one list with employees and I have some income for my employees. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to see here the detail of each and every employee by changing here the employee name, and I want to see the income for each employee for the current month, last month and next month. So what I will do, first of all I will bring here the drop down list. So how we can bring the drop down list for the employee? By clicking data, you have to go to data validation, and in data validation you have to select the list and then the source will be this one. I need here the drop down list for my employees, and by clicking OK, see now the drop down list of my employees are available. And same I will write here the current month, next month, last month here. Now what I will do, I will use here the index function, index tab. So what my index function is asking, my index function is asking me the array. So here I will select my entire table as a array. Now I will click comma. Now I need the row number and column number. So instead of writing the row number and column number, here I will use the match function to locate the row and column number. So I will write here match tab. Now my match function is asking me the lookup value. So I need Adil here, and then I will click comma. So Adil, from where I am looking Adil? From this array, from my employee. So same I will click here comma, and I need exact match, so I will close my bracket. Now the column. Now second is my index function is asking me the column number. So for the column number, same I will use the match function again, tab, and now I need here the month and the comma, and now I will select the lookup array. So lookup array I will select as a list of months. Now I will click comma and for exact match, and now I will close my brackets. So all the ranges now I will fix it. I will make it absolute by clicking F4, C5 will be fixed also. This E3 will be fixed also. E11 will be fixed also. B6 will be changed as it's the month name. This will be fixed. This will be fixed. And now I will click enter. Okay, so now I will copy and I will paste this formula below. Okay, so now by changing here my employee name from drop down list, the data will be updated. Now here, instead of the list of months, now what I will do, I will create here as in case of my employees, I will create the drop down list for my months also. So same here, data validation list, and I will select the range. So this is basically the range, and then I will click OK. And now same I will use here the index and match function again. So I will write here index tab, and then the array I will select as this entire table, comma. Now the row number, so instead of row number I will use match function, tab lookup value, which lookup value you want. So I need Adil, then lookup array. So this is my lookup array, comma, and exact match, close bracket, comma, and then match again for my column, and then tab, and then lookup value will be my current month, and then comma, and then lookup array is my month's name, then comma, and then exact match, and then I will close my brackets. Then I will click enter. 120. So here I have last month. If I change it to next month, for the Adil it is 128, and if I change my apply here as Azam, it will also change. So like this you can combinedly use the match and index function. So that's it for today's discussion. Hopefully you will understand the index and match functions. If you like my video, please follow and like my Facebook page Business Innovation, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.